Hello everyone, welcome to AI and more, and welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at three powerful methods or three different ways to make a song with Suno. Suno is the biggest now music AI generator in the AI world. A lot of people have made money out of songs made by Suno, and a lot of people have made a lot of beautiful beats, beautiful melodies, beautiful rhythms with Suno. So many people think it is only one way to make a song with Suno, but in this video I'm going to be showing you three different ways to make a song in Suno. So before we dive into this video, you should subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from this YouTube channel. So how do you get into Suno? First of all, if you don't, if you're a new user and you want to experience Suno the first time, I'm going to show you how to get Suno. If you have already been using Suno, you don't need to watch this part. This is for only beginners. So you'll need a browser. Let it be Chrome or Edge or Brave, whatever browser you're going to be using. So you open up your browser, make sure you're connected to the internet, you type in Suno, press enter. They'll bring you different pages. You come to this suno.com AI music generator. You open the music generator. If you have the fastest internet, of course it won't take a lot of time, it will be just seconds that the page will be opening up. They will ask you, how would you describe yourself? For this video, we say I'm a content creator. I'll say continue. They will ask you for username, full name. Then you complete your profile. They'll ask you to select genre. Of course, you select whatever you want to do: R&B, country, electric, R&B, country, electronic, whatever you feel like doing. You say continue. So we're inside Suno. We're going now on the very first method to make a song with Suno. Just come here where there is styles, type in something simple. You say rock and roll, with vibe. You click generate. Within just a few seconds, your songs, 4 songs will have been made here. So you'll have to test and see which one suits your taste, or which one suits your vibe, and which one you like. So let's play. Let's play through all of them and we see what we've got today. Start with this one. Well, this is nice. Okay, so let us go to method 2. Method 2, this is now where you lever up things. Method 2, you need to type in your lyrics either manually, or you can use prompts from either ChatGPT. We can open ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. You just say, I want a simple song about a bird in the bush. The idea is funny, huh? So ChatGPT, within a few seconds, we have created our song: verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, outro. This is our song. So we need to copy these, the relics. We paste them into Suno. You paste your, so we need to delete this. Then you can also tell ChatGPT to make it Suno ready with instructions. For this video I will say make me a Suno prompt. ChatGPT will have finished your prompt. So you can copy this prompt and then paste it where there is style. Now you can save the title. Our title is the bird, little bird in the bush. So little bird in the bush, you can type it, or you can copy the word here, and then you bring it to song title, little bird in the bush. You say create. Then within a few seconds, ChatGPT will have created four different melodies of your song. Remember, ChatGPT gives you 50 free credits every day, and they renew every day. So when the 50 credits get done, and creating a song, each song takes 10 credits. So where if you want to create more, or you want to upgrade for a full song, now like here where they say upgrade for a full song, you need to go and pay using your Visa card, so that you get more and more privileges with Suno. So let us listen what Suno has for us. Song 1.
There's a little bird in the bush outside, hopping left and hopping right, tiny wings and shiny eyes, singing to the morning light.
This is for people who want to express their ideas, people who already have their songs in the brain and they have their lyrics. You type in them, or you use any other software like Microsoft Word or Notepad or even ChatGPT. You type in your lyrics, you paste them here. The third method. Now this is the producer mode. You know what you want. You will tell Suno exactly what you want. I want reggae. Around, let's say, 95 BPM, and you say I want strong choruses, and more. Now, a tip: if you want Suno to think more than this you've written, you can press this icon here. Okay, a laid back reggae groove at 95 BPM, driven by syncopated jitters and a lot. So if you want Oris Suno to add more on what you've written, even on the lyrics, Suno can rephrase your lyrics and make them look more professional. So you say generate. Mostly when you're using the free channel, the ones that have upgrade for full song normally sound better. Let us listen to them and see. Wow. Little bird in the bush, AI and more. Woo.
There's a little bird in the bush outside, hopping left and hopping right. Tiny.
Okay. Now this one.
bush outside, hopping left and hopping right.
Okay, in our next video I'll be showing you another method of making a song with Suno, whereby you can upload your audio either recorded by your phone or from your music DAW, and you upload it on Suno and you tell it what you want it to do, and they will make you a refined song. So that is it for today, and that is for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.